Let's talk about anal sex. It's a topic that often makes people uncomfortable, whispered about in hushed tones or avoided altogether. But why? Our bodies are capable of incredible pleasure, and exploring different aspects of our sexuality can be a healthy and fulfilling part of life. Ignoring this topic only perpetuates misinformation and shame. It's time to have open and honest conversations about anal sex, addressing both its potential risks and rewards. By understanding the facts, we can make informed choices about our bodies and relationships. This isn't about encouraging everyone to try anal sex. It's about providing accurate information and breaking down the stigma that prevents healthy dialogue. Whether you're curious, apprehensive, or simply want to expand your knowledge, understanding the nuances of anal sex is crucial for a well-rounded understanding of sexuality. Let's shed light on this often taboo subject, promoting a sex-positive approach that prioritizes safety, consent, and pleasure for all involved. For many, the appeal of anal sex lies in its potential for intense pleasure. The anus is a highly sensitive area, rich in nerve endings that can trigger powerful sensations. Achieving orgasm through anal stimulation is possible for both men and women, adding another dimension to sexual exploration. Beyond the physical sensations, anal sex can deepen emotional intimacy. The vulnerability and trust required to engage in this act can strengthen the bond between partners. Open communication and a willingness to explore each other's desires create a space for deeper connection and shared pleasure. Trying new things in the bedroom can be exhilarating. Anal sex, like any other sexual act, offers an opportunity to break free from routine and experience something different. This exploration can reignite passion and lead to a more fulfilling sex life for both partners. However, it's crucial to remember that anal sex isn't for everyone. It's a deeply personal choice that should be made freely and without pressure. The decision to engage in this act should be based on mutual desire, open communication, and a commitment to safety and respect. While anal sex can be pleasurable, it's essential to approach it with caution and prioritize safety. The anatomy of the anus makes it more susceptible to tearing, which can increase the risk of sexually transmitted infections, STIs. Using condoms is crucial for reducing the risk of STIs during anal sex. The condom acts as a barrier, preventing the exchange of bodily fluids that can transmit infections. However, it's important to note that condoms don't eliminate the risk entirely, as skin-to-skin contact can still transmit certain STIs. Proper lubrication is essential for safe and comfortable anal sex. Unlike the vagina, the anus doesn't self-lubricate, making it prone to discomfort and tearing. Using a silicone-based lubricant specifically designed for anal sex can minimize friction and reduce the risk of injury. Open communication with your partner about sexual history and STI testing is paramount. Regular testing and honest conversations about sexual health are crucial for maintaining a safe and enjoyable sex life. Section 4. The Pleasure Principle, Understanding Anatomy and Technique. To fully enjoy anal sex, it's helpful to understand the anatomy involved. The anus is the opening at the end of the rectum, controlled by two sphincter muscles. These muscles, one internal and one external, regulate bowel movements and play a crucial role in anal stimulation. Relaxation is key to comfortable and pleasurable anal sex. Tensing the sphincter muscles can lead to discomfort and make penetration difficult. Techniques like deep breathing, warm baths, and gentle massage can help relax the muscles and prepare the body for anal stimulation. Gradual penetration is essential for a positive experience. Starting with a finger and using plenty of lubricant allows the muscles to stretch gradually, minimizing discomfort. Communication is crucial throughout the process, allowing partners to adjust their movements and ensure mutual enjoyment. Remember, everyone experiences pleasure differently. What feels good for one person may not feel good for another. Experimenting with different positions, speeds, and types of stimulation can help you discover what works best for you and your partner. Section 5. Breaking down stigmas. Communication and consent are key. The stigma surrounding anal sex often stems from societal taboos and a lack of open dialogue. It's time to challenge these outdated notions and create a space for honest and respectful conversations about all aspects of sexuality. Communication is paramount when it comes to anal sex. Partners need to feel comfortable expressing their desires, boundaries, and any concerns they may have. Open and honest dialogue fosters trust and ensures that everyone feels safe and respected. Consent is crucial for any sexual activity, and anal sex is no exception. Consent should be enthusiastic, freely given, and specific to each act. It's also important to remember that consent can be revoked at any time. By normalizing conversations about anal sex, We can break down the stigma that prevents people from seeking accurate information and making informed choices. Open dialogue promotes sexual health and empowers individuals to explore their sexuality safely and consensually. Section 6. Making informed choices, weighing the pros and cons. Like any sexual activity, anal sex has its pros and cons. It's essential to weigh these factors carefully and make informed decisions that align with your personal values and desires. On the one hand, anal sex can offer intense pleasure and deepen emotional intimacy. It allows for exploration of new sensations and can add excitement to a couple's sex life. The vulnerability and trust involved can strengthen the bond between partners. However, anal sex also carries potential risks, including the possibility of tearing and increased susceptibility to STIs. Proper preparation, hygiene, and communication are crucial for minimizing these risks. Societal stigma can also create emotional barriers and make it challenging to discuss openly. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to engage in anal sex is deeply personal. There's no right or wrong answer, and what's right for one person may not be right for another. Section 7. Your body, your rules, prioritizing pleasure and safety. Navigating the world of anal sex requires knowledge, respect, and open communication. Understanding the potential risks and rewards allows individuals to make informed choices about their bodies and relationships. Remember your body, your rules. No one should feel pressured to engage in any sexual activity that they're not comfortable with. Consent is paramount, and it's okay to say no or to change your mind at any time. Prioritizing pleasure and safety go hand in hand. Open communication, proper lubrication, and the use of condoms are essential for a positive and safe experience. If you're considering anal sex, talk to your partner, do your research, and approach it with caution and respect. By breaking down stigmas and promoting honest conversations about sexuality, we can create a world where individuals feel empowered to explore their desires safely and consensually. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to sex, informed choices lead to healthier and more fulfilling experiences.